Hi, we're logged right back on to RepSpark.com, and we're going to talk about shopping multiple brands while on the community. So I'm on RepSpark.com, and if you are not a retailer or do not have a retailer account yet, please click the retailer link and click button create your free retailer account. But I am already a retailer and a buyer on RepSpark, so I'm just simply going to log in. And now I'm going to log in with my buying account. And again, just like in the last video, I'm automatically directed to my dashboard. But what we're going to talk about today is how do you switch from brand to brand. So I am a buyer, and let's click my brands. And these are brands that I've already been approved with. So I'm going to go ahead and shop on one of my favorite brands called Seal Beach Swim. This is a demo account brand. And if I would have scrolled down in my brands, I would have been able to find it. But I can just see it right here by typing in Seal Beach. So I'm going to click shop. And I can start placing an order. I can click to start order. I can look at catalogs, assortments. I can do whatever need be on this site. But let's say I'm in the middle of an order and decide to switch gears and want to switch to a different brand. All I have to do is go back to the community and then click my brands. So the one thing I want to mention is let's click my brands and let's go to this site, the RepSpark demo site. You will need to close that window. But I'm already logged in. I'm already an approved buyer. I am able to seamlessly jump from brand to brand. I might have to log out and log in, and you can do that just right here by clicking your profile and clicking log out. As you see, I'm Coco Swim Shop, but all you do is use the community and shop from brand to brand. So let's say, for example, you're used to going to that one brand's direct URL. So you always shop on Peter Millar and you don't shop on any other brand. So you might used to just be going directly to that site. You can place your orders, continue to shop, but all you have to do is just go to the community. And from there, in the community, within your dashboard or your My Brands, you can switch from all of the brands you'd like to shop. So as a reminder, like I said in the last video, if you see the orange shop, that means you're already approved. So have fun shopping.